The centerpiece of Tibet's capital, Lhasa, is the imposing Potala Palace. At 12,000 feet above sea level, it's the highest palace in the world. It's also a major center for Buddhist spirituality. Potala refers to a sacred mountain in India, and for centuries, its namesake palace has been at the core of Tibet's monastic community. Much of the palace dates to the 17th century, but the earliest construction began 1,000 years earlier on commission of a Tibetan king in honor of his marriage to a princess of China. The growing fortress became the winter home for the Dalai Lamas, monastic leaders of Tibetan Buddhism. UNESCO's World Heritage designation extends to the neighboring Jokhang Temple, considered Tibet's most sacred. It also includes Norbulinka, once the Dalai Lama's summer residence. Conflict led to the exile of the Dalai Lama from Tibet in 1959, and the grounds became a museum. But the Potala Palace remains a major Buddhist pilgrimage site. Many travel long distances by foot to pay their respects. Potala is divided into two parts: the Red Palace, which is for religious practice, and the White Palace for administrative use. Visitors to Potala have to go with a tour group and obtain a special permit. The heritage site contains a vast collection of sacred texts and works of art. Potala Palace has withstood the elements and political struggle, remaining an embodiment of Tibetan culture.
Senche de sombi lama yi Gongje be minga de yi Senche du la sewi lama yi Gongje la jinga yi shane yi Gonga de se nga ya la yi Gong zhe be da nga yu ben qie yi Gong jie me jo nga yi pa ya yi